Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to convert an Excel file into Google Sheets quickly and easily. Whether you need to collaborate online or just prefer working in Google Sheets, this method will help you seamlessly transfer your data. So let's get right into it. The first step is to open Google Drive. Once inside, click on the New button in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Google Sheets to open a blank spreadsheet. Now we will import our Excel file into this new sheet. With the blank Google Sheets document open, go to the File menu at the top and select Import. This will bring up the Import File window, where we have several options to upload our Excel file. You can choose to import a file from Google Drive, shared documents, recent files, or simply upload one from your computer. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will go with the upload option. Drag and drop your Excel file directly into the window or click Browse to select it from your computer. Once selected, hit Open and Google Sheets will begin processing the file. Once the file is uploaded, Google Sheets will prompt you with a few import options. Since we started with a blank spreadsheet, we will choose Replace Spreadsheet to completely overwrite it with the Excel file. Click Import Data, and within a few seconds, your Excel data will appear in Google Sheets. And just like that, your Excel file gets a new home. Kind of like moving houses, but without the packing and heavy lifting. As you can see, the data structure remains intact, including any basic formatting applied in the original Excel file. While Google Sheets does a great job of maintaining the structure of your Excel file, not everything transfers perfectly. For example, some advanced formatting options available in Excel may not carry over. Macros created in Excel do not work in Google Sheets. Certain functions that Excel supports might not be available in Google Sheets, which can lead to missing or altered formulas. Regardless of these limitations, your data will appear just as it did in the original Excel file, so you can count on it staying intact. If you found it useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for topics you want me to cover, please drop a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.